Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Robert Robinson and we're glad you're here. The purpose of this video is to showcase CertainTeed's Landmark shingle. It is a 30-year architectural shingle and the color is Cobblestone. Cobblestone is going to be an excellent choice if you are looking for a shingle on the lighter side of things, as well as a shingle that is going to be more energy efficient than many of the darker colors. Although Cobblestone has a light gray appearance overall, when you get closer to the shingle, you will see some color variation. You'll be able to see that here as we push in closer. We hope that this video helps you imagine and understand what Cobblestone may look like on your own home. If you have questions, please do reach out. We are here and happy to answer them for you. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Everybody take good care. Bye-bye.